Hey, my friends. I'm so happy you're here. Let me ask you something. Imagine this. It's Saturday morning. No alarm. No rush. Just you. Your coffee or tea. And a little English time with me. Feels calm, right? Hot beverage. Now imagine this calm morning helping you speak English better. Slowly. Naturally. Sounds nice? Then stay with me. Today, we'll talk about weekends. About my weekend routine. But this is not just my story. This is your practice time. You will listen. You will repeat. You will feel English more clearly. No class. No pressure. Just a friendly chat. I will speak slowly. Clearly. With feeling. So relax. Smile a little. And let's begin. Seedling. Sun behind small clouds Saturday morning. Welcome to my Saturday morning. On weekends, my day starts differently. I don't rush. On Saturdays, I like to sleep in. Sleep in means I wake up late. No alarm. No stress. It feels really good to rest. Repeat softly. I like to sleep in on Saturdays. Good job. Blue heart. I wake up around 9 o'clock. On weekdays, I wake up at 6:30. So yes. Saturday feels special. I stretch. I yawn. And I smile. I say, it's the weekend. Next, I make coffee. I walk into the kitchen. I brew fresh coffee. I love the smell. It wakes me up gently. I often say, I can't start my day without coffee. What about you? Coffee or tea? While my coffee is ready, I make breakfast. On Saturdays, I like simple but warm food. Scrambled eggs. Pancakes. Sometimes just cereal. That's okay too. I say, time for breakfast. Breakfast is my slow moment. No hurry. Broom Saturday chores, easy and light. After breakfast, I do a few small chores. Chores are small home jobs. I tidy up the kitchen. Tidy up means clean and organize. I wash dishes. I wipe the counter. I like when my space feels clean. Sometimes I do the laundry. Laundry means washing clothes. I put clothes in the machine. Then I relax. Repeat gently. On weekends, I do the laundry. Nice thumbs up. Deciduous tree Saturday afternoon, fun time. Now it's afternoon. This is fun time. Weekends are not only about work. They are about living. Let's practice together. Imagine I call you and say, the weather is beautiful today. Do you want to go to the park? What would you say? You can say, sure, that sounds great. Or, yes, I'd love to go. Perfect. At the park, I say, I'm so happy you came. We hang out. Hang out means spending relaxed time together. We walk. We sit. We talk. I ask, how was your week? You can say, it was good, thanks. Simple. Natural. This is real English. Shopping cart grocery shopping practice. After the park, I have some errands. Errands are small tasks. I say, I'm going to the supermarket. Groceries are food and home items. I ask you, do you want to come? You can say, Yes, let's go together. In the store, I say. I need milk, eggs, and bread. What about you? Think for a second. Nice. You are thinking in English. I say. The fruit is cheaper today. You reply. Sure, let's buy apples. Great job, glowing star. House visiting friends. Weekends are also for friends. Imagine we visit a friend's house. She opens the door and smiles. She asks, how's your weekend going? You say, it's good. I slept in. Perfect. She asks, do you want to watch a movie? You answer politely. Yes or no. Both are okay. That's real-life English. Crescent moon Saturday evening. In the evening, I slow down. I usually stay in. Stay in means staying at home. I say, I'm going to stay in and chill. Chill means relax. Sometimes I cook pasta. Sometimes I order pizza. Pizza. No rules. Just comfort. After dinner, I wind down. Wind down means relaxing slowly. I watch a movie. Or read a book. Around 10, I feel sleepy. By 11, I'm in bed. That's my Saturday. Simple. Peaceful. Speech balloon, your turn, very important. Now it's your turn. Try to talk about your weekend. Just a few lines. Use words like sleep in, hang out, stay in, chill, wind down, say it aloud, or write it. Small steps matter. If this video helped you, please like it, write one comment, and subscribe to Englishvish. Your support helps this channel, and it helps you stay consistent. I'll be here again, with calm English and friendly practice. Remember this always. Small daily practice is enough. Learning takes time, and you are doing really well. See you again.